The party is over. It's crying time again. The party is over. This is where I should not begin.
True.
When you go look for carburetor spring, it's in the vacuum cleaner.
Looking better.
put a hickory in it. I really.
Really?
You better split that hose right there with your pocket knife.
I dig it. Actually, the antifreeze looked good in it, considering it's sit up since '93. Actually, surprised I don't see rust. Hot already.
Shoot, it ain't hot yet.
Welcome to the side.
It's snowing at dark.
Yeah, it's gonna be 30 degrees cooler tonight. It is now.
Jesus. Well, we won't need this coil.
No coal.
We will need them. We can't drive one without air conditioning. That man gotta have air conditioning.
I say amen to that. Amen, brother. Amen, brother.
Go grab that right there now.
Undo that hose right there.
That's what I'm trying. Grab it right here. I'm not to break it.
Talking about that?
No, right here. That funky little hose goes in there together.
Well, you know how long anyway. That's for all your EGR crap. You gonna have 4 hoses on here.
Yeah, no.
Brake booster. Run your AC over there. Vacuum vents on the distributor.
And got one going.
Transmission.
Yeah, going to the transmission. That's the one over there.
Here's your pocket knife. Just clip them off.
Yeah,
They too hard.
Yeah. They dry rotted.
I got plenty of hose anyway.
They dry rotted.
I got enough to go here in Kansas City.
Uh-oh, I mean, you got enough to go to Bub's house.
Yeah.
Check out that Pontiac. Man. We won't need this. Well, we need the 2 wires, the rest of it just tie it back. We won't need that. Doing something the Ford people don't like. 1 wire distributor, baby.
You're gonna have a starter solenoid. All you gotta do is run a wire over to your solenoid. When you turn your switch on, it'll
Yeah.
fire your
Distributor.
yeah. That way you'll have 12 volts going to it.
Yeah. Oh, I hate them clips right there. Them too.
All you do is stick a screwdriver in it, pop that clip off. Oh yeah, there we go. And get the day started.
You watch that knife, it might be dangerous, Charles.
Yeah.
Cut yourself. Y'all look like 2 surgeons.
We are. We just don't get the money the surgeons make. We're underpaid.
Okay, this is only supposed to be an hour operation, so.
Well,
Yeah.
we're backing up on that. See. Play ahead, screwdriver. Oh man, I had to cut it.
You will.
That thing stuck.
Clip it. That's what I do anyway.
You got some clippers?
You're gonna run 1 wire anyway.
Yeah. Flip it back so in case I ever want to put it back and
In the shop.
fire it in. Oh Lord.
Hey, Deb, hand me that vacuum cleaner if you don't mind turning. Yep, you're going to add it.
Yeah, we almost got this baby out. I like is motor mount boats, 1 starter boat and 1 boat on the bell housing, which is over by the starter. And on these, I actually forgot about it. On these, I'm gonna have to jack the motor up just to get that top bolt off the starter because the exhaust is run right over the top of it. There's no room to get a wrench or a ratchet or anything in there. And then I got to undo the power steering pump line. And then it'll be ready to pull out. Got most of the parts. Just got a few things to get. I got to get the rod bearings, main bearings, rings. Get that, and then so I already got the pistons. I already had a set of those. So, and that I'm gonna take y'all down under with Dean. Down under. I'm gonna show y'all something. Bear with me. Y'all see that bar right there that goes across right there? That's a drive shaft holder. And that's not all. Let's go back here. And it also has one in the back. I thought that was pretty cool. I forgot about these earlier Fox bodies. Mustangs and Thunderbirds and Cougars had these. I actually forgot about it. And these did come with the Cadillac converters. These was the first ones that came with the converters.